Let me show you how to do my Valentine's Day mailbox. Let's go. Best friend, best friend, best friend. First off, we're going to go ahead and start with materials. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I got available that I'm going to be using in this Valentine's, mailbox viral thing they got going on here. I ain't got too much candy because guess what, y'all? We don't really eat candy at all. We don't eat candy like that. This type of candy, I just going to go ahead and do it for the project. So start off is little pink basket I went ahead and got from the Dollar Tree. Everything was taken from Dollar Tree, y'all, except for like the glue gun. So yeah. This right here, they didn't have the y'all be using the one from Dollar Tree, the wood ones. They didn't have no more than when I went to Dollar Tree to get one. So I said, you know what? I got something for y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this right here. This comes from like a wrapping paper type of thing, y'all. And it's mad thick too. So I said I'm gonna try this with it. For the mailbox can stand up on it. Got some little fake flowers right here. The box gonna be using for the mailbox, right? It's gonna be there. Yeah. I know ain't no mailbox, y'all, but guess what? It gonna work. It's the mailbox from Dollar Tree. Cause guess what? I went to Target. They ain't had no mailboxes. Walgreens, they had none. I couldn't get enough of Walmart because I'm in New York City. And Walmart, I'm not even much in New York City. Walmart have Walmart up here. To go to Walmart. So y'all say, well, her mailbox at, baby? This is her mailbox right here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and use that one. That's what Dollar Tree had. So I say, you know what? Let me get that. I'm going to take it and work with it. I went online to Walmart. All the little mailboxes y'all talk about sold out. They ain't no more. Y'all took them all up. I can't even get one from y'all. Y'all got all the mailboxes though. But it's all good though. You know what I mean? I'm creative. I'm different. So I'm gonna make it work. I think it's gonna look better anyways. Yeah, it's me. But alright. That's pretty much it what I got for this mailbox shot. I ain't going too hard. I'm gonna go ahead and do what I do, how I do when I can do it. I'm gonna go ahead and list everything on the bottom of the description box just in case I ain't show y'all it what I'm using. So y'all go ahead and check that out to see what's going on with it. And let's get it started, babies. Alright, y'all, so check it out. My daughter, she gave me an idea. She was like, Mama, you should go ahead and put a ribbon around the pole thing. I said, yo, that is a good idea. But the crazy part about it, y'all, I didn't have no ribbons to do it. So I was not going to buy no more from the Dollar Tree. I say, no, I got everything I got. Let me use what I got. So here I go trying to paint it all white, right? The paint was too thin. Another thief from Dollar Tree got this paint from. I say, wait a minute, I can't be waiting for this paint to dry. I keep putting different coats on it. What I gotta do? Because the paint was not working out. It looked like glue, you asked me. It was not thick. It was not thick at all. So I said, I got it. I had some glitter that I had like for a long time. And I never used it. So I said, what if I put glitter, you know what I'm saying, on the pole? Nobody got that. I see everybody just painting it white. So let me go ahead and be different. Y'all know I'm different. I love to be different. So this is what I went ahead and did. So what I had did next was took the glitter and just brush it all over the white pole with the paint. And just like that, y'all, no Pacific way. I just went ahead and did it. I did 2 coats only because I was like, you know what? It's going to be for decoration. I'm going to throw it away after I done with the pictures and all that. So it ain't for nobody specifically.
Sometimes you love too hard, sometimes you go too far. I won't want you if you need me. Real things are not come easy, no. Never been your average girl. So take time with me, take time. Maybe talk to me with some action. We could find a place to relax. Cool down, simmer, cool now, easy. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, easy. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love. Cool down, simmer, cool now, easy. Cool down, simmer, cool down, love.
So after I went ahead and sealed it with March Paw for the glitter won't be coming off like that, I just went ahead and did like that. I didn't glitter the whole thing up because I said, you know what, y'all, it's going to be in a basket. Nobody going to really see that. And I didn't want to wait for it to dry again. And here you see me taking my hot glue gun and putting the glue in the middle. I'm going to go ahead next and take the little glitter pole and put it right there in the middle on top of that glue and let it sit. I got to hold this pole while the glue get hot because if I let it go, it's going to go ahead and fall. And we don't want that. We want to make this thing like sit up as much as possible. So I wanted to use a whole, you know what I'm saying, wooden sticks we'd be using for this project, but it was nowhere in sight. I went to $2 Tree, I didn't see it, and I was not about to travel all over the world for them sticks. So I said, you know what, let me use what I got and work with it. And that's what I'm doing, y'all. Sometimes you ain't got everything that everybody got. You take what you can do and you work with it the best way you could, okay? That's what I'm going ahead and do in the project, y'all. And honestly, y'all should see the ending part. It's gonna be so worth it. Y'all gonna be like, oh my god, that's cute. Yeah, yeah. So the hot glue don't want to hand dry. So basically, this pole is like standing up by itself on its own. And I'm so grateful because at the end of the day, I know I look crazy right now, yeah. Y'all like, but trust me, y'all. Trust me. The wait gonna be like, it's gonna be worth the wait, y'all. Okay. And that's what it is, y'all. That's what it is. When that glue turn white, I mean white, you know it's ready. I'm talking about ready, 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 ready. Next, I got some paper my daughter didn't want. So I'm like, okay, well, I want to fill this basket up. Because I want everything to sit up to the top when I put all decorations inside there, the candy and the teddy bears and all that there. Oh my god, yeah, I'm so happy because I found some paper right to go on top of some red tissue paper. So I'm gonna take my hand and make a little hole in there and then put it over the little brown little pole thing that I went ahead and made and slide it right on down. Just like that, y'all. See the glitter coming off again, y'all? Y'all see that glitter? Oh my god, y'all. I don't like that glitter coming off like that. Yep, and then slide the paper on down to the bottom of the pink basket. Now you see what I mean? How I put the paper that I balled up inside the basket, so with tissue paper gonna sit on top of it. You get what I'm saying? So everything could be more higher that you can see everything like that. I didn't have any like newspaper to put up in there, so I use what I got, y'all. Use what you got to work with. I'm telling you, it gonna work every time. Trust the process. Please trust it, y'all, over here. And that's how I was going ahead and look at y'all. Tissue paper gonna bring everything out because I want to have pink, white, purple, red. I want all the Valentine's Day colors in this project, y'all. And I'm gonna use one tissue paper only. I ain't want to go too hard because guess what, y'all? I want the decoration to show more, like the candy and the Valentine's Day goodies to show more than everything else. Okay, that's how I went ahead and let it go like that. Now, this part right here is optional. It's totally up to you. What I decided to do is take my glue gun and put glue all the way around on tissue paper. I put all the way around. Why? Because I'm going to put some shredded, paper on top of the glue, let it sit. I just felt like it's more secure like that. It's something that I decided to do. People don't do it on this project. But like I say, to each his own. If you want to do it, trust me, you can do it. It ain't gonna be like, it ain't gonna break it, it ain't gonna make it. It's just something that I decided to do. Okay. So yeah, you can do if you want to. You know what I'm saying? It's totally fine. And I didn't glue all of it down. I just glued like one layer of a shredded thing like that, and that was it. So let me go ahead and tell you another thing too. Also, the shredded paper is very cool. See how you can make it longer just like that? So you can make some longer, you can keep some short. I'm gonna make some long on my video for you guys to see the different textures of how this paper look. And yeah, y'all, so don't forget to open them up just like that. You can have like more and more vibes and just more texture, more colors. Now, off camera, I took the mailbox lid and I hot glued it. That way it won't come off. So you see I'm picking it up and the lid not coming off because I hot glued all the edges onto this box just like that, y'all. Now it's time to mailbox. Now it's time to glue this mailbox, y'all, to the stick. Yes, we're going to go ahead and hot glue all the way around the edges. Again, I'm dealing with a pole instead of a flat wood stick like everybody else got. So mine's going to be a little bit more harder to go ahead and glue because it is bigger and then, like, the pole is round. So just like that, I went ahead and put the little mailbox, y'all, on top of the hot glue stick. Hot glue stick, y'all, the hot glue. I'm talking about, y'all. I put a mailbox on top of the pole. This is how it looks so far. I'm letting it go ahead and dry before I go ahead next and start my next process of this mailbox. So far, so good. It's coming together. I'm liking it already. See, I put my little hand through it, y'all. Put some little real mail up in there. And here I go, y'all. Just going ahead and hot glue it again. Make sure the glue is extra on it. Because like I say, the more glue, the better it's going to stick. Because you don't want this mailbox to fall off. You want to have much of glue on there That way it could be like steady and secure, and everything could be adding up together. My baby girl in the back, you see her helping me out, right? She trying to tell Mom, this how I look, this how I go. Kids, I love her, I love her, I love her. And yeah, y'all, so basically that's it with this part right here. I'm gonna let it dry.
But you don't wanna fall too hard. You're falling, but you don't wanna fall hard. 'Cause it might break if I give you my heart and you hold on too hard.
So you know me, I gotta be a little extra. I gotta be different. You already know. So I decided to go ahead and cut up the glue that was running down from the pole and put some flowers right there to play it off, because like we can't have this mess. We gotta be like neat as possible, y'all. So that's what I went ahead and did. I took some fake flowers from the Dollar Tree, cut them up, and you know what I'm saying, cut off the stem and plug them right there with the hot glue stick. And I tell y'all, so far it looks so cute. I got some stickers from this little sticker book from Dollar Tree. I love Dollar Tree, y'all. Everything is Dollar Tree, girl. Okay. Stickers I had to go ahead and glue them with hot glue, because when I tried to put them on the glitter, it was not working at all. So hot glue, baby, I'm telling you, hot glue sticks, hot glue gun is your best friend. It works every time. It's gonna get you right on every occasion. So I decided next to go ahead and put some little petals of the roses that came with it. I try to go ahead and glue them, you know what I'm saying, the back of it to make everything pop, because it is a rose. Like, you know, rose do got petals, right? And this how it looks so far, y'all. I think it's cute. Ow. And I ain't even done yet, y'all. I ain't even done yet. Wait till you guys see the whole thing, y'all. Ta-da! Okay, best friend, I'm done. I didn't go ahead and do decoration on camera. I'm sorry about that. But let me tell you, it's very, very easy. All you're going to do is just stack whatever you got in the basket and let it show the way you like it. You know what I'm saying? And that's about it. Very simple, y'all. I like how it came out. The mailbox is giving, honey. It's like literally a mailbox. You can actually take mail and put it right to the left side, just like that. Yeah, my daughter, she loved it so far. She like, oh, mama, you did it. I'm like, yay. So happy to see her smile. And honestly, girl, I'm telling you, it could be done. If you ain't got a real mailbox, make it work the best way you could. Remember, be creative, think out the box, be yourself at all times. Because everybody what is thinking. And that's what it is, y'all. I got some pictures for y'all to go ahead and see from the left side, right side, the front side. Y'all know I'm designing right, so I went ahead and did a purse, an outfit for my daughter, because you know I gotta be different, like I always say. And it came out really, really cute. I did everything that has to, y'all. Oh, yeah. If you feeling my video, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more content in the future. Thanks again for watching. I'll see y'all later in my next video. Peace.